Welcome back. I have a new box I want to show you. Been following some crafty type people on YouTube and been looking more at journaling and other arts. That's how I found Grabie. And this one is from Archer and Olive. And I love the tape they used to close it. That is so different, so creative. I've never seen anything like it. It's absolutely beautiful. So I ordered a few things after watching some videos of people unboxing their subscription boxes. I was tempted to do a subscription box, but I thought, no, I want to see what kind of quality it is first. So I just ordered a few things that I am going to check out, and we will go from there. So first, they have everything wrapped so nice. Nice paper, fluffy paper wrapping. I'm thinking this is probably recyclable. But the first things here are some pen sets that I ordered. And they call them Calliograph pens. Water-based ink, non-toxic. This one's called Attic Treasures. Oh, and they are sealed. Yeah, I'm going to have to cut those open, and we can take a look at them. Let's get that out of the way. And we'll cut this one open too while I'm at it. I've been wanting to get more into writing with these kind of pens, learning a little more about calligraphy. So this one is the Cabinet of Curiosities. And I don't know if you can see that very well. I'll just have them come out on my hand a little bit. A little more of the pastel type colors. A little lighter. And then this one is called the Attic Treasures. And this one's a little darker colored. And I think that's more in keeping with the theme of the attic. Things up in the attic, when you're up there, it's always a little darker. Oh, that's not white. This is, we'll try the white side here. And let's see, they're dual-sided, so this one's kind of a brush one. And this is the fine side. And the colors don't have a name on them that I can see. And that's what the fine side does. They seem to have very nice flow. So I like that. And we'll put this back in here. Looks like the brush side goes up. Set these off to the side, and then I'm going to take these two boxes out. These are bigger than I expected. So that's always nice. I'll move this off to the side. These are journals, and I have currently a journal that is almost empty, so I'm thinking by the beginning of the year I'm going to want a new journal. And so I thought I would pick up some new journals, and this one here I'm going to use as an art journal, I believe, which I have an art journal currently, and it's far from being done, but I just really like the design of this art journal, so I thought, well, I'm going to pick that up while it's available. A lot of these companies, you go in and they've already sold out of the item that you saw on an old video that you would really like to have, but it's too late. So this one opens a little different than that. It actually has a slide out, so that's quite interesting. All right, put this away so I don't accidentally stab myself. We'll open the first one here. Very nice package. So it says, to the new owner of this notebook, this is not just a notebook, dear friend. It is a powerful tool that just might make your day a little bit better. Bonnie Cool started Archer and Olive, named after her 2 cats, when she was struggling to navigate the everyday twists and turns of her own mental wellness. Journaling, planning, and art became an important part of how she managed her mental health. So she decided to create a solution for herself that she knew others would love too. That solution was the first dot grid journal made with ultra thick 160 grams per square, I'm not sure, GSM paper, to be used not just for journaling and planning, but also for creating art in the same book without worrying about the paper buckling or paint bleeding through the pages. The Archer and Olive mission is first to share the vital message that caring for your mental health is caring for your health, and second, that creativity is such an important way to care for your mental health, even if you don't consider yourself to be a creative person. Our hope for you and this notebook is just that you will spend so much time together creating art, planning, journaling, or writing down recipes. The limit does not exist, so that you too can experience the benefits of creativity for your own mental wellness. Your friends at Archer and Olive. So, oh, isn't that beautiful? Now, it's not real leather, I don't believe. I believe this is all vegan leather. But, oh, absolutely gorgeous. Let's open this up further. And I like that they come in boxes that can protect them both while you're using them, after you're done using them, and before you begin using them. We have this beautiful opening page. This book belongs to, it is a beautiful dot grid. I don't know if you can see the dot grid very well on camera, but it is a very nice dot grid, very thick paper. Absolutely wonderful. Oh, and there's a pocket in the back where you can store things. So, that is the first one. And now for the second one. That slides out like that. How beautiful is that? Such a beautiful way to also store it. Oh, I love it. It would look so pretty on a bookcase. I love the Gothic fence here with the vine. And the box is really heavy duty too. That will really, really protect this journal. And again, they have the beautiful opening page this book belongs to. And again, it is a dot grid journal. Absolutely gorgeous. Oh, and it has, oh, a key bookmark here. Let me, absolutely stunning. I love it. So let me know what you think of Archer and Olive. Do you think I should subscribe? They have a think a 4-time-a-year subscription of journal products. I think they also have a monthly subscription to scrapbook products. I don't know if I need to do the scrapbook products, but maybe a 4-time-a-year. Is that something you'd be interested in me unboxing for you? Just comment below and let me know, and I will see you next time. Happy crafting, everyone.